Hello everyone, welcome back to another 3 Minutes at 3.
Today's topic is just start.
So today's going to be a little bit of a fun topic, just start. So this is really meant to be very encouraging, and I hope it is. So when I started blacksmithing, I started with the most basic and simple of tools. I had a Harbor Freight hammer, 3-pound cross peen. I still have that hammer. I had a Harbor Freight anvil, 55-pound. I didn't even have a stump to put it on. And I had my wood stove inside my house, and I kind of banged around, and we're on a wood floor, and it shook the whole house, and Jessica's like, okay, you're going to have to move this outside, bucko. And it was kind of in the winter months, and so I was, just heating coat hangers up and whatever. I had the bug. I had the itch. And a lot of you guys out there and gals, you get the itch about whatever it is that you're doing, whether that be seamstress work or, welding or whatever, it could be underwater basket weaving. I don't even think that's a real thing. Somebody should make that a real thing.
If you do it, comment.
Yeah, if you do underwater basket weaving, comment in the comment section. We would love to hear about that and see some pics. So, but yeah, just start with the tools that you have. You'd be surprised when you start scrounging around and you start asking buddies and friends and, raiding your own garage and things of all the different things that you can use just in the temporal moment just to get started. And then if, you want to put that in the business perspective, start with small stuff. You don't have to forge a railing or a big gate or whatever just to be able to be classified as a professional. You could spend your whole life making small little trinkety items that you can sell at craft fairs, and that may be just enough for you to take and supply your habit.
Yeah, definitely. You don't have to have everything planned out, a list of 100 steps that you want to take to become a professional blacksmith. Like Roy says, just start with the basic tools and you can add bit by bit as you go along.
Yeah, and and don't overthink it. Don't overthink it. Don't complicate it. Get started. If you love it, just get started. Just get started in it, whatever that maybe is. You'll never ride a motorcycle if you never hop on a motorcycle and ride it down the road. So, you'll never do anything. You won't go swimming if you never get in the pond. Right. Go swimming, so...
Yeah, it requires getting out of your comfort zone.
Yeah, it requires getting out of your comfort zone. It requires you getting off the couch. It requires you to stop watching this video. It requires you to get out there and get started at whatever it is that you are most interested in. And don't let anybody derail you from that. So that's it for this 3 Minute at 3. We really hope you guys enjoyed it.
Yeah, and thank you for watching.
And like we always say, God bless you.
And we'll catch you on the next one.